Hey guys, it's Travis with FMC Overland again, and just like the title says, we're installing rock lights on our rooftop tent. Why, you might ask? We want some just general illumination at nighttime when we have the tent set up and we're kind of unpacking or loading up or cooking. We wanted some general illumination, and rock lights seem to be the right way to go. Probably not the traditional way, but I think it's working out really well. So far I got 2 installed. We're going to install the other 2, and then I'm going to do a quick walk around, show you how we ran the wiring, how I attached it to the bottom of the rooftop tent, and I'm also going to show you how we power it, because we're not powering it off of our 12 volt battery in the truck. We're actually using rechargeable 12 volt batteries. So stick around. I'm going to install the last 2, and then we'll do a walk around. So keep watching. I promise you'll like it. Just give it a few more seconds. All right, so like I said, all the rock lights are installed, all 4 of them, and we ran all the wires back to this ILR case, which is mounted on our bed rack. The reason being is that's what housing the controller, and we actually power the lights off of a DeWalt 20 volt rechargeable battery. So all you do is slap that in there like that. Now, between this and the rock lights are a 12 volt system. This is a 20 volt battery. You have to have a step down transformer. So what this does is it knocks down the voltage from 20 volts out of this battery and knocks it down to 12 volts to the rock lights. And we got a few power switches up there. Now granted, it's not the cleanest setup, but it's a work in progress. So again, it keeps it all functional, keeps it in the box. I can access those, I can get to those switches when we're inside the tent. And again, if I leave them on, it's no big deal. It's just a DeWalt battery and not my truck battery. All right guys, so that's it. It's getting dark. We're gonna set the tent up real quick. We'll do some nighttime shots. We'll put them in right after this. Tell me what you guys think. Good, bad, and different. Leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. See you later, guys. Appreciate it.